Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good. Seen? Welcome our viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Seen? Now, I'm gonna tell you about Iman. That's why this whole affair is so personal to I, and it always been a very delicate subject matter to I right through I time I come up. See, I'm gonna tell you about Iman rape experience. See, don't get it twisted. I wasn't physically raped. See, people them close to me was, but I was mentally raped. So I'm gonna explain it to you as a youth. See, you don't know as a youth I come up I'm maga. See, my brethren, me about 17, I got 18, and my brethren come down and bring down in big bike, bring down in big chain them and the whole of them, and just left them give me. Basically, you see, me and him girlfriend apart and things like that. See, me and the girl apart and then the career there. Girl, they adopt me as a little brother. You see, you don't know everything good. See, like me I say, brethren deal me like a little brother, same way too. See, so everything where him can afford him take care of. Me not short or nothing. I'm better off than most in other place. At the time, enough man can attest to that. See? Anyway, you have a brother now where claim say essentially him and the wanted man now and do some things and get wanted and thing and you know. But nobody, you don't know. You know, see, everybody know him and all of them things. Him up on the street, him and feel like a habit otherwise. See? So him open and up on the street about so everybody know him and them thing. See? Now this brother here is a brother now where him have a alright. So long story short, my daddy one day, I go check the cat here, I'm gonna see her. Cause evening time I usually go link her. Daytime right through the day. But you don't know after it come down evening you go home and you hold a shower and straighten up yourself and touch back the road and thing. So the evening when I touch back the road, I can't find her. See? I go down her yard, I can't find her. So I dead the whole night. Because my girlfriend live next door still. So me and my girlfriend are using and thing and we hang out and ready. See? Dead the whole night I notice I'm not see her. So I go home still. See, run off the night. Next day I go check her and see her. Well shape up and you know me I say, look a wreck, look a mess. When I say look a mess, I mean she dirty, you know. Her hair just not look like how it usually look, cause she a girl with style up. And then make a thing there. And she just look wild. You know, see it. And I say, what go on? And she start cashing hide nothing from me. Like I say, she have me as a little brother. And she start telling me everything in a detail style. You know, see, me that I know. And I want she stop talk. See? Because I still little youth for all the man way do that to her. You know? I want she stop talk, but she can't stop because, again, I'm the only person she can talk to like that right there, so. See, because she kind of ashamed. She don't want nobody to know, say, that go on. You know, see, I'm the only person she can talk to and she just peel off her experience to me star. I just sit down there and listen. You know, see, and I get raped too. You know, see, cause like me say, I'm a sister, I treat her like a son. A them way. You know, see, it's straight, no hanky panky. Straight respect like that and love, even to this day. You know, see, and she did it, she tell me what go on star, and you don't know if you just listen to it and hear what she say and just, you know, see, get through the process. See? Anyway, after a few days now, seeing I'm on a walk on the road, seeing and see the perpetrator, seeing perpetrator see me and walk over to me, seeing and take out the same gun where I use and juke her with, because I saw me, I'll give you, I saw, me I'll show you certain details now, but our experience, seeing. The perpetrator come over to me and say, hey boy, where, you know, say, such a, when I more your friend, yeah, I see she walk and she's sexy, you know, what's it not, and you have to hold her, and the same gun when he use, because he might explain to me, say, I have to take it out, you know, this me have to, you know, and he ram the same gun, I remember me about 17, 18, I ram the same gun in my head side, I say, and I say, I saw me, I took her in her face, and I say, hey girl, you know, say a long time, hey, come, wow. Mind you, that man had dead a long time now, years ago. See, hey girl, no, some more, hey, come, see, and carry her away. And oh, me I tell her, say, yo, all night, and take, I want to give me details to complete with the gun in my head side, you know. Full details, and them a laugh, you know, like me say, where that guy pray? What is that star? Seeing, come here, say, no, I'm a sister. Seeing, I kill him or kill me now, because obviously, you know, so me know and you know, so I must vex. And the way you are rubbing the details in me, you know, it's like, you know, see, hold on. Yes, I. So, I mean, in a while, you're here, oh, I get. So, I get 2 guns. You know the reason. Pat me jump, skip the story and forgot to tell you. One of the reason, the main. You see, because after the man do that to my adopted sister, then no. See? And like I say, I have the thing in my ears like that, I tell me that. See? Me there one day, I come in off of the road again, seeing how I reach from my veranda. And the man that I sit down on my veranda. See? And him have a rifle, an M16 rifle hang up on the door angle, the front door handle, where you open for going into the house. You know, see, so my sister them now, you know, out on the road because I evening. See? And then I sit down still, you know, just to that matter, just to keep him civil and things like that. Not that he might act up anyway, because he's a guy who act friendly still. He act friendly, but him just chip anytime, any minute. You know, see? So, I went there and, you know, I watched the whole thing and I observed the profile and the consequence and the whole thing. My sister them in there, and me and 5 sisters me have. See? And me and them living there. See, and my big sister come from work and I go in the house star and I just walk up on the veranda as usual and just say good evening to everybody. Now I notice the simple thing where you know see the rifling up on the door angle, and when she reached to the door for go some boop and hold it, at them that time that she realized what going on. You know see it, I go and she drop back and jump back and say, oh my God, you're not frightened and thing like that. That's my boy. I sit down there and I'm not, man. Just open it and go on in, man. Everything good, man. You know, don't know. You know, see, that's me, I observe that and I say, that look intimidating, like basically, you know me, I say that look too close to home. That's, you know, see it. All night, right through the little time when I'm dead as a star, I decide to say, I'm not gone away, I can't left me out gone away. The man sit down on my veranda with him rifle. Come like the man that taunt me as a little youth rasta. You know, see, yeah, man. So I decide to, well then, you know, say, I'm not going to make nothing reach my sister them, you know. You see, shouldn't happen to the first one. You see, them one I out of my mother them come out and all them thing there. This I got different. You see, well during that space of time then now, you don't know. You see, get too big matic. But like me say, we never cross path like that way. I want to challenge him or him have to challenge me. But you don't know. Stay true. Listen to the story. Yes, I. Yes, I. So, the guy have him thinking in my ears, man, and I say, yeah, and you know, see it. So, eventually, him done talk and walk away, you know, in front of him friend them and everything and everybody, you know. I'm on walk with star, go about my business and do what me I do, you know, see it. But, you see, them like as me I tell you, them time they I just straight party, man a party and I enjoy themselves. You know see it, man, nah pre certain. You know see it. And within weeks, man, you know see it, like me I said, man, I glorify badness or gangsterism or certain things over here. So we just share experience and try to draw a contrast with what I go on today and the reason for certain things. You know see it. Yeah, man, within weeks, man, I get too big matic for myself. Big and pretty. You know, see, not a joke, it's not a fun and joke, but it's the reaction from, you know, guys like them that when them know say, go and cast. Everything changed that hurt me to my core. Like I say, you know, see, believe you me, when I'm friend, mess about. You know, see, me and my little virgin stand up there. My little virgin come from country and them stand up there with me and him a reason and for him friend. I pass and mess it, you know, because I'm always a bully the little country youth. You know, see it, and start bully the country youth right side and me start. That's, me have one of the matic them for me today, man. Me just believe you me, man. Cowboy town today, Miguel Broad, bright, brawling, son at car. My mother mean, shouldn't do that. You know, see it. Yeah, turn me upside down. My mind get busy cause, again, you see, I grew up amongst the man them know me and them know say I'm my little virgin that them know the flex and thing and know the whole thing and when them do that it's like so well then I show them say at like some bad mind thing. You see what I say? Cause man used to call me and I say, yo, what that shows the name? Which part of America you get it for buy? So that them can tell for them people. Say, cause really and truly the things I'm aware, you know, normal. In them days, the people who know me can tell you, you know, see, my chain, as a little youth, you know, see it, I ride through Rockfort, I ride through East Kingston from Kirk, come right back. You know, see it. When that happen, man, I now tell you no lie, Rasta. You know, see it. So, you know, this day, and right through the time when I come up, I see them things that I sit well with me, man. People, in time I about, man, in time, functioning, man, them type of people there, non-existence Rasta. You know, see it? Yeah, by principle, and them know that too. You know, see it? If a guy have them sort of tendency there, him put that to rest, you know. You know, see it? You don't know, you know, see it? Yes, I. You know, see it? So, right now, when them things happen, I mean, you say, guy like that, a guy, certain guy behave them way that within all the music industry, and them way that we spot so fragile, you know, see it. And then now, some guy gone all the way across the ocean them. You know, see it, gonna have a certain different race of people. You know, see it, I make certain, you know, the amount of tarnish and damage where that already do. Just so enough, we don't live there, we don't have a communication with them Asian set of people at the Chinese part of town. You know, see it. But anybody will have anything to do with reggae within the area there, know about what happened to Elaine Ling. And them know who is to be blamed. Because them think they're not something where it's overlooked. I mean, even Elaine Ling herself is shunned right now. You know, see, if a husband for left her and she forget another man, a terrible, terrible thing, a dangerous thing, that hard. I go down in the West, she have to move, come and move, go to another country. Find a man. You know, see. You know, see. So, the damage to reggae music, where them guy and them allegation as it is, I do. See, them guy will find themselves in them position, man, and know say them guilty like all. You know, see it. Come out of the thing and go, man. And you know, see it. You pay your penalty, Rasta. We not have no simple mercies and no sorry for no compassion or, you know, no justification for them action, the Rasta. You know, so people will do them thing they brutal, you know, see it, and predatorial. You know, see it. Them plan them action and purposely pick on people when them is at them weakest. You know, see, it's a Jasmine Dean that she missed from when. And her poor parents, them, I rush and I worry about her. You know, see, even though in my case, with my sister, I never get the chance for really take no revenge or nothing like that. Because before long, like I'm telling you, the man who do that, him not alive no more. You know, see, before long, he meet female at a low. You know, see it, and nobody who love the girl or connected to her never get a chance to be part of the planning in that process there. You know, see it. You know, see it. So usually, too, after a while, you know, see it, you know, you can't have certain guys run rampant in a society and I get protected by people who were considered to be credible. You know, see, and then we could wear it. I go around and I break other people's heart as well. Like, we don't have no personal responsibility for yourself and for your own branding and for your own career. You know, see it. And the wickedest thing, it is being said that's all I want to know, say, this guy is that we are inclined. You know, see it. It's a big disgrace in the music, Rasta. You know, see it. And we are going to touch upon it some more, you know. Nobody feel like say I eat that and we're done. You know, see it. We're going to touch upon it some more. We not ease up. You know, see it. We not ease up because a big dirty slackness and it need fixing for us, Rasta. You know, see it. And across the globe, you have some guy like me. I tell you my experience. Where a man rape my friend, my good my sister, anything I want. You know, see it. When we are going down, you know, you cheat even know. And come back, come tell me how him do it with him gun in my head side in a Rasta. You know, see the experience I want to the catty and the thought for no say a man gun there in my head and unstable predator like that gun there in my head side. I tell me boy, stop me affair. Yo, and I stop me affair. And you know, that's me I said, my daddy and me I said, John, you know, see it. Yeah, man. You know, see it. So we not no tolerance, no consideration. We not no space in our way for them type of people there. You know, see it. And call it bias, personal, emotional, however you want to call it. The problem is real. You know, see it. The problem is real and it need eradicating. And anybody who they act like so well then, it's just a thing. You yourself is that way inclined. That's why you find justification with it. And you don't even care about your female relative, them and them people there because they know the day, you know. It's like a them you blame for anything like that or that happened to them. You know, see, that's the next thing about us again. We're quick to, or we prefer, it's easier for we blame the victim. You know, see, probably less shame reflect upon we ourselves too. We don't know. You know, see it. But these are the reality, Rasta. You know, see it. And if a guy want to bury him under the sun and go and enjoy the trappings of such perpetration, then that up to you. You just show your true color. Stay over there so with it because at the end of the day, we nah, you are saying nah stop. What go on, it nah make no sense. It nah challenge the logic so we represent regarding the whole thing. That's what the item for do. Challenge the logics. See, leave me out of the thing. See, challenge the logics, Rasta. You know, see it. We have a high rate of them sort of incident there, and we have a big tolerance fee. Not that we love it, but we give too much, we give the perpetrator them too much consideration. You know, see it. And a full time fit stop now. Some big prominent people do it in a recent time. Bounty killer, namely, and basically embarrass himself. You know, see it. And like me I say, him need to step forward and fix the thing. And can go and stay silent and stay ignorant, because the climb, the gravity, and the struggle where the female them go through, the fight, ease up. Seeing, and the more it get a momentum, the worse it look and bounty killer. You know, see it. So man better man up and say sorry. Literally, Rasta. You have done it before, I'm sure. It can be this time. Genuinely mean it, you can't have up the female. And bounty killer, it's been too long now for you to even retract that and reply. You know, see it. It's like the man have a little tough spot or a tough thing a go on, you know, him regarding the female gender. You have them type of man there in the earth too, you know, Rasta. They don't feel no way, you know, we know. Some man just feel like so the woman them nothing exists and them claim so them that woman them love. But them feel like so the woman them is the perpetrator or the personification of evil, vile creatures. You have some man who think about woman like that, Rasta. You know, see it. And while them will have consideration for other struggles, not as if them not each connected to each other somewhat. You know what? And I give thanks, you know. Share, like, and subscribe, Rasta.